Hey guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. I'm back with another video. In today's video I'm going to share how I remove the child safety locks of my kitchen cabinet doors. So to remove child safety locks of my cabinet doors, I am using hair dryer and a very thin nail filer, or you can use a butter knife if you like. Make sure it's not too sharp to cut through your cabinets or damage them. So I have the hair dryer on high heat to apply to remove the glue from the locks, and it's that glue inside between the actual plastic hinges or in between the doors. So I'm gently pushing that inside the glue. As you can see, this was fairly easy to remove, and now I'm gonna go and use my finger or my thumb and kind of like roll it, because it's very soft at the moment, because I use the hair dryer, so it's gonna be softer and the glue is kind of loosen up. So I'm just going to rolling and just taking off, as you can see. Now I'm going to repeat the same process on the other side. Well, as you can see on this side, it took me a while to get the glue loosened up and get going. Well, I had these cabinet door locks since my little one was less than a year old, for his safety's sake, and now he's old enough, so I thought maybe it's time to take them down. So just want to use the same process and use the heat to loosen up the glue in between the hinges and door, so it will come loose, and use the butter knife or any object that is not too sharp to get it off, and then you can just roll up the leftover glue. Sometimes it comes off easier, sometimes it's not, so just keep on scraping. I hope this video was helpful for you guys, so I hope you enjoy watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much.